Hello everyone, today I want to present you my recently finished work. Uh, it's called Penguins by Eva Rosenstand. This is a very famous producer, but it is old, and this design particularly is also old and very rare. It is no longer produced, but I found the pattern online and just couldn't stand to stitch it. So I ordered the flosses and fabric. Here are the flosses, 26 colors here. Here's how I arrange them. The file number 1 and the file number 2. These files are also from DMC. You can probably see the insignia here, like DMC. So you can also try to find it and buy for your comfort. The fabric in the original kit was supposed to be 27 count even weave, but I changed it to Aida 14. You can see Aida, and I think this didn't damage the process. It is still looking good. No difference can be observed. So I think this is stunning actually. So let's take a look at the scenery itself in this work. Here we see a family of penguins. Supposedly the penguin father, standing so tall and proud with his children. The penguin mother, she looks discontent, shouting at someone and trying to jump on kind of a snow hill here. They take the cute 7 children with them for a walk. Children are of different age, and this is thoroughly elaborated by the designer, because penguins lay only 1 or 2 eggs during the breeding season each year, because eggs need to be kept in warmth, and each parent sits above the egg until the birth to maintain the right temperature there. So they can give birth to only 1 or 2 children in a year. So we can see this one is probably teenager, this one is also teenager, and these 2 are really young. Baby penguins in this work are particularly beautiful and interesting. This one is curious, looking for something. This one is chubby, and this one is observing the faces of the others. Very nice family. Now let's take a look at the mountains. They are very simple but beautiful. Especially I like the colors reflecting the distance here. The blue color, which is almost gray, makes the impression of mountains being far behind. Next we have the sun in the clouds, and this one is probably the most stunning part of the picture. The way these colors convey the feeling is nothing short of remarkable. I'm not sure whether this is a sunset or a dawn, or maybe it's just an ordinary sky in Antarctica, but it is definitely fascinating. Now let's talk a bit about the stitching process. The work was in general easy to stitch. It does not have anything except a full cross stitch. This is everything here is full cross stitch. No no French knots, no half stitches. Everything is cross stitch with 2 flosses and a little bit of back stitch. It's really a bit, just to outline the borders of penguins. The back stitch is only in penguins. However, you must follow the pattern very carefully, because if you make a mistake and even one stitch will be not on its place, you will have a hard time next, especially in penguins. Even one stitch not on its place and it will be very noticeable. So you should do it maybe slowly but carefully. The process is absolutely not boring. There is a lot of details. You have different penguins, each penguin is different. Each of them is interesting in its own way, very interesting to stitch. It also has a lot of details besides the penguins. You have mountains, you have the sun, you have the clouds, you have the kind of earth, yellow earth in Antarctica, snow. So the process is diverse and fun. When you are bored with one thing, you can easily switch to another. So don't be afraid to stitch it. It is easy, it is entertaining. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and see you in the next videos.